Hi bro, how are you doing? Let's become fluent in English by the end of 2025. We still have 4 months. It's been a good year, it's been a good summer. Today is 31st August on the moment of filming. Tomorrow is 1st September. And we're gonna go to university, go to job. Like, I'm students, I study in Moscow, I live in here, it's my dormitory room. I'm Andrew. Yeah, I am back. Everyone who's been following me, guys, that in this year I've done already 100-day speaking challenge of camera. Like in February I started. I was like A2, maybe lowest B1. By the end of this challenge in June, we passed the test and I achieved almost C1, like B, highest B1, B2, lowest C1, like this, border between. And it's a pretty good result, but that's definitely not enough. You know what I'm saying? And the next 4 months, I want to spend time really intensively learning English and continue doing things because things are not done totally. And bro, if you promise yourself, if you also set this goal, if you have this goal of achieving some good results, not only fluency, but in general something for you more specifically. Maybe you want to improve some part of English or improve speaking, listening, or something, and achieve some specific level. Maybe you want to become B2, B1. Doesn't matter. If you've been in the process, you got a good rest in summer. If you're ready to get back to work, to studying, and to learn English, I want to invite you to do this together. Because the best thing, what I want to suggest to you, is to get this challenge 100 days. You can check this on my channel, like, oh, here or here, I have no idea. But if you're new here, if you're not familiar, definitely take a look at this, because it was just 100 days filming myself and sharing my thoughts, practicing IELTS speaking questions, sometimes filming vlogs about my life. In general, recording your life, your thoughts, and it doesn't even necessary to publish this on YouTube or some social media. Just do it for yourself and film your life and speak English, because this speaking practice is the most powerful. I don't know, like, it can be a really good impact on your life. Like, you don't need speaking partner, you don't need anyone, and you don't spend money, you don't spend this energy, you're not nervous and don't feel shy. Just you being alone by yourself and recording and speaking. And we have 4 months. It is 120 days. If you will do 100 days of recording yourself, just don't focus on results, focus on the process. This 100 days, just do this. All right, just do this, and eventually take a look that by the new year 2026 you will become literally new English person. Literally you can create new English personality, and your speaking is gonna be improved pretty significantly. You know what I'm saying? Personally, I'm going to continue filming vlogging, because my English is not ideal at all, because like there's a room for improvement. I want to become better. I want to achieve like concrete C1, closer to C2. And to do this, I just have to continue making vlogs and speaking, because since I've been in Moscow, in Russia, like, I'm not having a lot of speaking partners to talk to speak English, and filming vlogs is a really great way. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to share my university life, Moscow in general. I want to add more my personal life in this channel, and filming in English. So, and you can practice listening, you can learn new vocabulary. I will learn new vocabulary, because like, I don't know everything in this world, definitely. And at the same time, along the way, I will share all my tricks, methods, what I'm using besides speaking on this channel. So you can just take a look at this and take something from me, like how I'm improving listening, what I'm doing, vocabulary. I want to focus on learning like vocabulary as well, on speaking. Writing not really important for me, mostly speaking, listening, and vocabulary. Well, yeah, bro, it is new season, the end of 2025, and it's time to get things done. Let's learn English, let's continue, let's get to the normal pace, let's get to routine. And by the way, guys, everyone who's taken this challenge already, if you're familiar with the 100 days speaking challenge, just please share in the comments your opinion about this. what's your progress, because I know a lot of people like get into university after this, you know, this really great stories. And you know, I want us to English learners to be together, to be combined here, and in this community just talk and share our advices and advice. Fuck, it's not advice. Advice, just advice. You see, my mistakes, my bad, my bad. I'm still not good in the comments, and let's grow together. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.